Have you ever wondered how some men always look polished and well-groomed? Well, it's not rocket science. It's all about the magic of consistent grooming and personal care. Grooming is an integral part of personal style. It's not just about what you wear, but how you carry yourself. With well-maintained hair, skin, and personal hygiene, a man can transform his look from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's start with hair care. The right hairstyle can accentuate your face shape and personal style. Regular haircuts and maintenance are key to looking sharp and well-groomed. Next, let's dive into skincare. A basic skincare routine for men includes cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection. Dealing with common concerns like acne or dry skin, there are plenty of remedies to help you maintain a healthy complexion. Now for the gentlemen who rock facial hair, whether it's a beard, mustache, or a clean-shaven look, maintenance is crucial. Essential grooming tools like razors and trimmers can help you keep it neat and tidy. Don't forget about your nails. Well-groomed nails are a subtle yet significant aspect of personal grooming. Basic nail care and manicure techniques can help you achieve this. Oral hygiene, another fundamental aspect of grooming, contributes to a fresh and confident smile. Daily oral care practices can ensure your dental health remains in top shape. Let's talk about scent and fragrance. Choosing and applying cologne is a subtle art. Finding a signature scent and wearing it in moderation can enhance your personal style. Grooming and clothing go hand in hand. The impact of your overall presentation on your self-esteem and confidence is immense. Every man should have a set of essential grooming tools. Selecting quality grooming products based on individual needs is crucial. Professional grooming services such as barbershops or spas can offer an elevated grooming experience. Choosing the right professional services can make a big difference. Remember, grooming standards may vary across cultures. Understanding personal grooming preferences and cultural considerations is key. We encourage you to share your grooming tips and routines. Have any questions related to grooming and personal care? We're here to answer them. So, there you have it. Grooming is not just about looking good, but feeling good about yourself. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to the world.